Tesla shares surging more than 85% in 6 months, and Piper Jaffray thinks it's going even higher. They raised their price target today to $423, and they say, quote, nobody else comes close. It's a must-own stock. Nobody on this desk thinks that's true. There's nobody else. What is...
In the auto industry, a lot of people are saying, not going to happen. Well, I think people at this point ought to be a little bit more optimistic about the future of Tesla, because we've confounded the critics at every turn. So at a certain point, people have to get tired of being wrong.
Model S really all about? It's about breaking a spell. The world has been under this illusion that electric cars cannot be as good as gas, can in fact be the best car in the world.
This weekend, I give up. I mean, the car's too damn great.
They throw in the towel. I never thought I'd see the day.
Unbelievable.
CEO of Tesla on a big day here at NASDAQ. Tesla now trading publicly, listing at $17 a share.
Just continually just look at the balance sheet. Amen. I can't take it anymore. If everybody in my family wants one, I'm done.
Well, now you
I can't fight this. I can't fight this.
We want people to know that whenever Tesla comes out with a product, it'll be something that we think is going to be amazing. We'll never stop fighting for the end customer. That's who we're really trying to serve at the end. You know, until we see every car on the road being electric, we will not stop.
Well, Tesla, I would say, is the exception to all the things I was just saying, because they're executing so well, and the environment for Tesla couldn't be better with, gas $6 a gallon here in LA. All you see are Teslas like everywhere now, so like you're almost like an idiot if you go out and, like, I saw somebody just bought a new Explorer in my parking lot, and I'm like, you must be like an idiot. It's like, you're gonna pay $6 a gallon for 15 miles a gallon in traffic, or 10 miles a gallon in traffic in LA. I'm like, you're spending $150 a week just driving your kids around to baseball and stuff. And I'm like, I spend nothing, I'm like, if you don't like inflation, you go buy an EV. It's simple as that. And so people are, and so the demand is far outstripping the supply.